In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in Delta Exchange. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are on their trading platform over here, you want to first select what instrument you're wanting to trade. So here, as you can see, I'm currently on Bitcoin USD. And then whenever you do that, over here on the right, to the right of this order book, you can see you can then buy or sell. Now, of course, first you want to select which order you want. So we have the option of limit, market, or over here, when you click on this little arrow down, you can then set different stop losses in Delta Exchange. So you have the stop limit, the stop market, and you also have a trailing stop. Okay, so of course it's up to you which one you want to select. Select it, put in basically the amount and then the quantity, and then of course you can go ahead and initiate your trade. Now, as you can see, my account is not yet verified, so I can't actually initiate that trade, but that's how you do it. And if it's happening to you as well and you can't actually trade in here, first you have to verify your account to be able to do it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.